Okay, ndewo. Aha m bụ Ogochukwu Kunet Ohaya. Ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị nwere ime wụ ihe a na-akpọ preposition n'oyibo. A na-akpọ ya preposition n'oyibo, but a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo mbu ụzọ. Preposition pụtara mbu ụzọ. So what I said in Igbo is that we have to do preposition today. And in Igbo language, it's called mbuzo. Okay, now let me tell everybody, please, we need to be careful. And please don't make noise. Know that you are in the class with many people. If you are in the class, stop moving everywhere. Get ready for the class before you sit down. You can't be going back and forth. I see some of you moving back and forth. No, we can't do this. We can't do this, please. I know I can mute you, but I don't want you to unmute it if you know that you can't sit still. All right? I know we have young ones in this class, but we have some adults here that we need to respect. I don't want you moving back and forth. Sit down. I see some of you still moving. Before Amanze, stop moving. Before you start class, get ready. That way, you don't move back and forth. You are disrupting the class. I don't want that, okay? Listen, you need to mute yourself. And when I mute it, don't unmute it because you're making a lot of noise. I want everybody to sit still. Before you sit down for class, make sure you have everything. We can't be doing this in the classroom. We have to consider everybody in the class. So I'm not gonna say this again, please. And I'm going to mute everyone.
Do you see it on the screen yet?
Yes.
Hold on.
No, I don't. Yes, I do.
Wait.
Bear with me, everyone. Let me get it going. I need to mute everyone. So share the screen. Let me say this. Some of you, if you know you have your TV on, either you stay away from the TV or you put it off. This is not a kindergarten class. It's not a kindergarten class. I need you to put your TV off or you stay away from the TV. If I notice that you're the one disrupting the class, I will put you off from the class. I want us to be serious and respect others in the class. Please. Thank you. Okay, so I said before, today's class we have preposition. And preposition is called in Igbo, mbuzo. Mbuzo, something that starts or something that can replace something. Okay, so preposition is something, it's just, there are words. These are the words you can use. Even though we have one main preposition, we have a preposition here. Some people, they mistake it, some words as preposition, just because you join it with another word. So preposition, you use it to join two words. You use it to join two words, okay? So I need you to know this. So I don't want you to mistake a word that is not a preposition. Mbuzo, mbuzo. You use it to join words, okay? You use preposition to specify or maybe show where a position or something is. I might say, Obinna, go get me this thing. And then I will use that preposition to specify, to tell you this is where it is. You use it to specify a place where something is, where you can find that thing. It replaces a noun. Okay, so this is something I want you to know. It helps you to find the location of something, the position of something, whether it is on top, whether it is underneath. So this is what it is. Don't mistake it. Prepositions. All right. So we have one main preposition. One main preposition. And then that's the main one. But as we go on, don't get confused. I want you to know what it is. Okay. Give me a second. I'm trying to maximize something here. Just 1 second. I'm trying to do. Ah, come on. All right. Okay, I want to make sure everybody, you can see me very well. Okay. All right. Okay, so the preposition we're doing now, we're going to say something like, if you want to say whether it's on the top or below. But first of all, what we need to do first is to introduce the word that is preposition itself. Okay, so we have something called na, N-A. We have na. I'm going to maximize the font for you to see it well. Okay, we have na. This is the preposition we have. And this preposition now, we have it, and there's another way you can contrast it if you're writing na, okay? Either you write it that way, or you can write it this way. It is the sentence, and I'm going to give examples when you do those things, okay? How you use it in a word, or how you use it to join a word. Okay, so na means and. It means the word and. That's what it is. Okay, we have na as and. Now I'm going to see Chinyere na Uchenna. Chinyere na Uchenna. Okay, Chinyere na Uchenna. So you see where it comes in. 1 second. Okay, now let's give an example how to use it. We say Uche na Chinyere. You see that? So this is how we use it. Chinyere or Uche na Uchenna. It doesn't matter. Okay? So if I'm going to say, okay, Ulo, ala na ulo, ala na ulo, or you want to say na ulo, you can write na ulo. You can use the word na ulo. You can do it this way. Okay, wait, I need to put it out. Don't worry, I'm going to maximize it. Just trying to insert something there. Okay. Can you see it very, you can see the word clearly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Olo, you can write it this way, or you can also say na. Can also say na. Olo. It is correct, but this is how you do it. And then another way to do it, instead of saying something na, ala. You see, we have NA and then ALA. So this is another way for you to say it. You can say na, ala. It is correct. So it would be nice if you learn to write it this way instead of NA. This is not wrong. It is still correct. This na, which is and, na means and. Na is and. I want you to know this. I want you to pay attention, please. Na means and. That's what it is. So it means and. Okay. So this is how you write it. When you're writing something like this, you can put it this way. I'm trying to stress on that as often as I can. But I want you to pay attention to make sure you're getting it. Uche na Chinyere. Uche ande Chinyere. Na ụlọ. Na ụlọ. Ọ nọ na ụlọ. We're going to make a sentence. Okay. It is on the floor. It is on the floor. Now it means all. And remember our pronouns. All. All. I'm going to put a dot. Put a dot underneath all. All. Ọ nọ na ụlọ. Ọ nọ. Ọ nọ na. Now I'm going to contrast it. So remember what we're trying to learn here. Then instead of putting NA, it is okay to still do NA. Na. Ụlọ. Second. Ọ nọ na ụlọ. Okay. Ọ nọ na ụlọ. Now, na ala. So what we said, ọ nọ na. The floor means ala, ụlọ. Some people will just say ụlọ, but I want you to know what the floor is called. The floor is called ala, ụlọ. So I'm gonna put ọ nọ na ala, ụlọ. You can do it this way, or you can remove it. It doesn't matter. It is still correct. You can either join it. You can either join it with hyphen, or you can remove it. It is correct. Okay. Honor. This is what we're doing here, the preposition. Okay. Honor. Honor. Honor na. Na. This na. And don't be confused when you see NA and when you see N, the other N. Just know they are the same thing. Don't be confused. They mean the same thing. I think I have stressed on that enough. Okay. Allah, nala means na Allah. See that? So I want you to pay attention, please. And don't be confused. If you're confused, you have a chance to ask me a question. Okay. Now, if we want to say, okay, it is on the top, it's on top of something. Okay. This is where people get confused. Is it a preposition or is it a noun? A place where something is. You see what I'm saying? So many people, when you get online, you will see all sorts of stuff. They will tell you, oh, this is preposition. No, don't be confused. They will say, oh, do we have many prepositions? Some people, they mix it because they don't know what it is. And that's the benefit of taking this class. You know the difference, okay? That doesn't mean you should go around start correcting people. No, just know the right thing. If you're telling another person, tell them the right thing, okay? So now, if I wanna say, oh, Obinna, It is on the top of the TV. On top, top, top. All right. So now, top. Okay. Top means elu. Elu, on top of something. On top of something. N'elu, na, elu. Now we're going to make a sentence with na, elu. So this is where people get confused. And then they put elu as a preposition. It is not. Now this is what it is. Ono, na, elu, elu, oche, olu, oche, na, elu, oche. You can also say na, elu, oche. So what we're doing here is learning how to join a word, use the preposition to join things, and then how to write it as well. So don't forget what we're doing. We're learning how to write as well. So you can say na elu oche, na elu oche. Okay, so now we say, let me just make it one to help you. So that we'll make a sentence, you don't get confused. To make the same one. Okay. Na elu oche. See what I said? Na elu oche. Elu means top. On top of the chair. On a chair. You can say on a chair. Okay? That's what it means. On a chair. On a chair. It is on top of the TV. It is on top of your desk. On top. Now we're going to use under. Under. Okay? So number 2, let's say under. Under means okpuru. Under means okpuru. Okpuru. No dot. Don't put dot on it. Look at the sound. Uru. Okpuru. Okpuru means under something. Okpuru. Under something. It's under the table. It is under anything, desk. It is under the piano. It is under what will I say? The step. Okay, so it means okpuru. When you're making a sentence and you're joining this, onona. Now let's make a sentence with under, which is okpuru. Okpuru. Okay. Oh, that should be dotted. Oh, no, nah. Oh, I'm going to use the other na, but don't be confused. Oh, no, na. Okpuru. Oche. Let me use another thing. Table. Now we call table. Teburu. It is not the same way we spell it in English, but you spell it differently in Igbo way. Okay? It's really fun though. But let's see. Ono n'okpuru. Let me use teburu. Te. Remember Igbo way. Don't use the A. Te. Te. Teburu. Teburu. This is how you spell teburu in Igbo. Some people will say tebulu. That's the dialect, but I'm teaching Central Igbo. What we're doing is Central Igbo. So it's gonna be teburu. We are doing teburu. Okay? So some people say tebulu based on their dialect. So don't get confused. Oh no. Sorry. Back up. Honor. We have to put then dot the O. Honor. Na. Now, do you see now? Or you can put this. I want you to learn to do this one. Honor now. If you're using this one, it's gonna be any, then contrast it and then okpuru. Okay? So you can replace it with this. But if you're doing this N, let me go down here. If you're doing na, okpuru, that's it. But if you're doing this na, you have to join it with the word. Okay? Na, okpuru. Oh, no. Did you see what I did? Instead of N-A, you don't give a space. You don't do it this way. You don't do that. Not like this. That is wrong. Or you don't do it this way. That is wrong. I want you to pay attention to what we're doing here. If it is N-A, na okpuru, under, it is okay. Okay? But if you do this, N, contrast it, and then you give a space. This is wrong. This is wrong, but this is correct. I hope you saw what I did. This is correct way to do it. And you don't do it this way. This is wrong too. This is wrong. This is wrong. And this is the correct way to write it. Na okpuru. Okay? Okay, so now I want to help you to know exactly which one is noun, which one is pronoun. Okay? Okay, so let me I try to make a table here, that way you don't get confused. So we have a noun, and then I'm going to show you how you can use it to make a sentence now. So we have a noun, and then you can say, so you say, elu. Okay, this is the noun. Somebody want to say something?
Yeah, I have a question.
Go ahead.
So for number 2, you have under, and then it says okpuru, but as you're writing,
it means okpuru. That's the meaning of under. Okpuru means under, yes.
And then on the right below it, you have okuru with the W. So is it the same thing, or is it just a?
Whoa! Thank you for calling me. See, somebody is looking. Okay, now I need you to introduce your name before you ask a question or before you say something. Say your album. You say Gochuku or album Chinyere, or you say oh Chinyere Neku. So I want you to introduce your name so that I know who is talking.
Oh, Ahambu Chinwe.
Okay, Chinwe. Good. Thank you, Chinwe. Chinwe na-ege. Chinwe na-ege means Chinwe is listening. Chinwe na-elezi anya. Chinwe na-eleru. Chinwe na-eleru anya. It means she is very observant. Ọ na-eleru anya, so she found a mistake. Thank you, Chinwe. It's okpu. So okpuru. This is wrong. Thank you. That's a typo. Okpuru. Thank you so much. And then here too. It's P, not W. Thank you so much. Dalu Chinwe. Dalu. So Chinwe, when I say Dalu, what do you respond to me?
What was that? I'm sorry.
When I say Dalu, what are you supposed to respond to me? When I say Dalu, you can say Imela.
Imela.
Or you can say oh.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So you can say oh, or you can also say if you just want to be extremely nice. If you want to be extremely nice, you can say Imela, so something like that. So I want everybody to know I'm not just talking only to Chinwe, but I just want to compliment her. Okay. So Okpuru, Dalu Chinwe, for that mistake. All right. All right, who is talking? No. All right, I need to mute everything. All right, so now Elu means, remember when we did Elu? na. Now the preposition na, you join it. You say na. Or means ma. Obo. I need to insert it. Obo. This is the meaning of or. Na. Or mobo. Na. I want you to know what I'm doing, okay? See that? Okay, so we're trying to introduce. Now I want to make it clear for you so that you don't get confused. Because some people will tell you preposition is elu. No, it is not elu. It is not. It is a noun. Okay? Now, it can be elu, in something, at, on. Okay, so now, this is like when something, you're trying to specify where it is, a place where it is. You can see na, okpuru, n'elu, na akụkụ. Akụkụ means side. We're gonna do that. Okay, you can say in something, in, at, or on. So this is the places. You specify the place, a place where you can use it. Okay. All right. Let me. I don't want you to get confused. I need to insert another 10 there. Just 1 second. I need to help you a little bit. Insert. Right. Okay. I just want to give it a separate column so that you don't get confused with what I'm doing there. So if you want to specify, okay, so we can move this, can remove all this and put it where it's supposed to be. You can say in, at, or you can say on or at. Okay, it is in the, in, on the, or at the. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do here. All right, I just want to make it clear. Okay. Okay, now side. So if you want to say that if something is by the side of something, onona akụkụ, onona akụkụ. Oh gosh. Okay. All right. So if I want to tell you, look for that book. The book is by the side of the drum. Okay, in the living room. Okay, so onona akụkụ, the side is what I'm trying to say here. The side where something is. Okay, side, it is on the side. Okay, so let me go down here. Let's say, no. Okay, number 3. Side. Akụkụ. Akụkụ. Akụkụ is side. Akụkụ. Aka nri. Your right side. If you see the sketch that I made, the head to toe, akụkụ, you say akụkụ aka nri. Aka nri means your right hand. Aka nri. Okay, in Igbo land, let me just deviate a little bit. In Igbo land, aka nri is called your right hand. Aka nri. And why is called aka nri? Remember, nri means food. Nri means food. Nri is food. Okay? So nri is food. Aka nri. You use your right hand to eat. We use the fingers Igbo people, we use fingers, okay? I know this new generation, don't worry about, I know some people eat with their fork, but in Igbo land in the olden days, you eat it with your fingers. Some people are still eating with fingers. I do eat with my fingers too. So if you know what is fufu, most of you know fufu. If you don't know what it is, call me. I'm going to make it and mail it to you, and you eat it to see what it is, okay? So fufu, you can make fufu with mashed potato and everything, yam flour, rice flour, oat flour. Okay, so you use your hand to eat. Even if you are a left-handed person, if you are left-handed, in Igbo land, you don't eat with your right hand, with your left hand. You have to eat with the right hand. It's called akanri. And if you're left-handed, and then an adult, an elder, or you want to present something, or your parents, or your siblings, your seniors, you want to present something, you don't present it with your left hand, regardless whether you are left-handed or not. You have to use your right hand to present, give something to your parent, your elder, your senior. It shows respect. When you use left hand, culturally, it is disrespectful, even though you do not mean that, even though it never crosses your mind, but that is the way it is. That's what it is. So whether you are left-handed or right-handed, use your right hand to give something, to present something. Once you use left hand, an elderly person, there maybe grandma or grandpa will say, ta, bianwa, kwose. They will each of them tell you, oh no, don't do that, don't do that. Use your right hand. You see that? Or maybe you want to greet somebody and then you brought out your, no, you don't use your left hand, you use your right hand. So that's by the way, okay? So I'm trying to explain to you, side. Akụkụ aka nri, akụkụ aka ekpe, your left side. Aka ekpe, your left side. Akụkụ aka nri, akụkụ aka ekpe. Aka ekpe is called aka ekpe. That's left. Right, aka nri. So your side, you have two sides of the body. You have right side and left side. Aka ekpe, aka nri. Aka nri, right. Aka ekpe, left. Okay. Now, when I say, please, go look, get me this thing, it is on the side of something. N'akụkụ ụlọ. Akụkụ ụlọ means side of the house. Okay, so n'akụkụ.
No one is asking. Shut up.
N'akụkụ ụlọ. Is everybody seeing everything? Even if you're late, don't worry, you will still get the note, everything, you will get it. So don't worry about that. But I'm not gonna post the note until I notice that you guys will go there and review the lesson. I post the note tomorrow, but the lesson will be there. Go there, subscribe, so that whenever I post anything, quiz or anything, it will ring, you will see the notification. Don't just go there and view the lesson. You have to subscribe. Go over the lesson, please, at least twice in a week. Don't just dump it and go, okay? N'akụkụ ụlọ. N'akụkụ ụlọ, or remember you can say n'akụkụ ụlọ. Don't just leave it like that, because I'm going to test you and tell you to write. We're learning to write as well. We're not just going to make our time to learn to write. So this is it. This is how we do that, okay? All right, n'akụkụ ụlọ. Remember, I said, if you write it this way, it is wrong. If it is this way, wrong. If you do it this way, wrong. It has to be this way. N'akụkụ ụlọ, or this way, n'akụkụ ụlọ. Both of them are okay, but you should learn to do at least this one, the second one. Okay, now we're going to do okpuru. 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 Remember what we said again. All right, it is under. Okpuru means under. Elu, okay, I didn't tell you what it is here. It means top. Okay, and then this one means under. Okay, all right, so we have na elu. I'm going to be using just one, but no, they are the same. Nelu, na elu, na elu. I just joined it, but don't mistake it. Do not mistake na and the elu, okay? Don't say elu is a preposition. No, 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 no. Na, elu, you use it to join the word. Na elu, I want you to know which one is preposition and which one is not. Don't mistake it. People, they make that mistake. No, okay? All right. Now we say on, top, of, or you can say up. Okay, you're trying to specify where it is. I am going slow. I am stressing over and over because I want you to retain it. I want you to learn it. If there's no other thing, you're walking out of this class, you know what is preposition and how to use it. And you're not confused which one is preposition. And please don't confuse yourself with what you got from Google and everything. No, some people are there saying what they know. They're not claiming that they know it or they are 100% correct. They're trying to help. But not all of them are correct. Not all of them are correct. Okay? People are just trying to help out. Others learn Igbo. But don't say, oh, they don't know what they're doing. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm telling you, some of them, they say what they know. Okay? Unless if they know Igbo very well. Okay, so that's by the way. So that's why I'm making this table to specify, tell you which one is which. You don't get confused because you might see some, they will say, now is a preposition. No, it is not. Preposition is just, it stands alone. You know it. So you know, you use it to join a word. It replaces something, okay? Just know. That's why I made a sentence up here to help you. I need to correct something. So I made a sentence to help you. And if you don't get it, you ask question. All right, so moving on. Now, on top, we have another one. Ime, inside something. Ime, ono n'ime ụlọ. Ono n'ime akpa. Akpa means a bag. Ono na ime. We're going to make a sentence, okay? But let me just introduce it, okay? Ime, okay? Ime can be, okay, like inside something or interior. Interior. Okay, let's use the word interior. All right, it is interior. Or you can say something like inside something. All right. Ime, it is inside. Okay. Amarachi, where is your brother? Amarachi, kedu ebe nwanne gị nwoke nọ? Amarachi, kedu nwanne gị nwoke ebe ọ nọ? Amarachi will tell me, he is inside the house. He is inside the house. Ọ nọ na ime ụlọ. Ọ nọ na ime ụlọ. Don't unmute yourself unless if you want to ask a question. I muted everybody. Do not unmute it unless if you want to ask question. Dalo. Okay, so n'ime, na. Or you can say na. They are the same thing. Please, don't forget na. Ime. Okay. You can say inside, something inside. All right. So you can say akoko. Did we use akoko? Okay, let's use akoko. Akoko is besides. Akoko. There are several of them. I'm going to do it. I will do them. I'll finish the note, even if the class ends, and then I can do it and then still make a Quizlet for you. You can go there and then see how it goes. So I'll get it done. Okay. Akoko. Let me see. Okay, akoko. These are so small. Let me maximize it. You can see it very well now. Okay. Okay. Akoko. Okay, so let's see. Akoko. Beside is side. Oh, beside. Okay. Akoko. Akoko can be the age. Okay, you know what? Akoko also can be the age. Age. Look at your phone. Akoko, the age of the phone. Okay, the side of the phone. Okay, the age. Don't forget. It doesn't just mean just one thing. No, in Igbo you can have one thing mean several stuff. So many ways you can use the word. Okay, you can say the age. All right, so akoko means side. Just know that one. Okay, you can say n'akụkụ ụzọ. N'akụkụ ụzọ. Akụkụ ụzọ. N'akụkụ ụzọ. Okay, so n'akụkụ ụzọ. N'akụkụ ụzọ, but don't be confused. We are using the keyword akụkụ here. Ụzọ means the door or road. Road can mean akụkụ. Okay, so let me just make a sentence up there so that I don't get you confused. Let me just remove ụzọ. That way I won't get you confused. Get it. Akụkụ ụzọ. Okay, when you say akụkụ, you're talking about like beside something. The position of it, beside. Now let's back up here. You can say n'akụkụ ụlọ, n'akụkụ ụzọ. So I'm trying to talk about ụzọ here. So I want to talk about this word, ụzọ. This word, ụzọ, we have two. Okay, I will come now. Chinyere is standing on my way, or Chinyere is just standing in the front of the yard or the door, and then I will come and say, Chinyere, pụọ na. Remember the preposition. Pụọ, move, or get out of the way, okay? Pụọ na ụzọ. So basically what I did, Chinyere, please get out of my way or move out of the way. Okay, you didn't mean anything bad. She's my sibling, my sister, and that's Chinyere pụọ n'ụzọ. Or maybe I can even say jokingly, Chinyere pụọ n'ụzọ. It means get out of my way, move out of the way. Pụọ means move or out. Pụọ na And remember, na, ụzọ. Ụzọ means on the way or door. She is standing by the door. Chinyere pụọ n'ụzọ. Get out of the door. Okay? Move out of the door. Move out of my way. Several ways. Don't just say one thing. Now, this ụzọ can mean ụlọ. It can mean ụlọ. Okay? It can mean road. I just want you to know this. It can mean ụlọ or road. So don't get confused. But everything depends on the content or under the contents of what you're saying. If I make a sentence, okay, ana m aga n'ụzọ. Ana m aga n'ụzọ. Ị na-aga n'ụzọ. When I look at you, I say, you are walking on the road. You are walking on the road. Ị na-aga n'ụzọ. Okay? You are on the road. You are on the road. Ị nọ n'ụzọ. Or I can also say, you are sitting on the door. Ị nọ n'ụzọ. So I want you to know everything is based on the content. Okay? On the content. You can't miss it. But I want you to know the same spelling, the same word, but they mean different things. We have another thing we're going to do at the end of this class. One word that means 4 things. But the only thing that can differentiate them is the tone mark, the sound, the tone. That is the only thing. Okay, so don't forget about this. Also. Okay. I can also say, Obinna, gaa n'ezi. Obinna, gaa n'ezi. Okay? Let's say, Obinna, gaa na. Okay, let's use the other na. Well, let me put 2 of them so that you still know. Okay, ezi. Obinna gaa n'ezi means Obinna, go outside. You are inside the house. Obinna gaa n'ezi. Obinna pụọ n'ezi. You can say gaa. You can say pụọ. Pụọ. Put dots on both U and O. Obinna pụọ. Okay, I'm going to say Obinna pụọ. Gaa pụọ n'ezi. Okay? Obinna pụọ n'ezi. Okay, now this ezi can mean go outside in front of the house. Okay? Go outside. Basically, just ezi means outside. Ezi means outside. Uche, pụọ n'ezi. Uche, go outside. Okay, now this ezi, the same spelling but different pronunciation, another word, another meaning. Okay, so now we have 2. Okay, we have ezi. Okay, this ezi means outside. Ezi, ezi, it is flat. Ezi, ezi. Now we have ezi, the same spelling. Ezi means pig. This is pig. Ezi, slightly up. Ezi, ezi, it is slightly up. Ezi, ezi, outside. So know the meaning, know how to pronounce it. The only differentiation there is the pronunciation, the tone, okay? The spelling, the same thing. The word, the same thing, okay? So Just know the difference. We're gonna do several of them as we go. All right. I don't want to load so much on you today. Anybody with any question, before you ask a question, please introduce yourself. Abum, you say your name. Or Ahambo. Okay, so do you have any question? Are you confused? Now, do you have any question? Means inwere ajojo. Inwere ajojo. Do you have a question? Go ahead. You can unmute yourself and then ask your question. Introduce yourself and then ask question.
Hi, Auntie. Afambo Akumano.
Okay, Akumano, kedu ka ị mere?
Adima.
Okay, ngwa.
I had a question for Ezzy. I know, so my middle name is Ezine.
Good.
So what is the first meaning for the first name? Because I know it's like good.
Now, good. Akumano wants to know, her name is Ezine. Her parents, they call her Ezine. She's one of my dancers as well. So we have not been able to meet since the coronavirus, but I know they're all keeping busy. Okay, so Ezine. All right, Ezine. Okay, Ezine is somebody's name. So Ezine, name is a mother. Okay, Ezine means good mother. Good mother. And sometimes in Igbo land, we give names because our names have just specific meaning. It has meaning. Some names, some people, they don't know what their name means, but Igbo people, we give names based on something. As in now, sometimes your father, your mother, we start calling you that name based on how some people do it. Maybe they love their mother so much, and it's kind of like a pet name to their daughter. They decided to use that name to show the kind of love they have for their mother. His name means good mother. And then some people will use it like Ify, I call her mama. Okay, sometimes they call these names, but Ezine, the true meaning of Ezine means good mother. My good mother, that's what it is. And some people will also call Obinna. Remember when people give Obinna, Ikenna, Uchenna, Chinyere. I gave my daughter Chinyere. Chinyere means God's gift. God gave her to me. So sometimes we give name. We don't just give name random. You give them based on some people will say Ndunkurunwa now. But Akumano, did I answer your question? Ezine means good mother.
Yes, Auntie. You kind of answered my question, but I was saying, like, as far as pronunciation, for the first Ezzy, like, how would you say? Because I know it means good, and I know Ezzy has other words.
Yes, so that's why I say this word can mean a lot of stuff. You add something to it, like Ezzy. Everything is based on the pronunciation and the tune. Ezzy, you see that? Ezzy is different from Ezzy. You see that? Now we have three things. Ezzy, outside. Ezzy, pig. Ezzy, something good. Ezzy means good. Ezzy means good. Now, let's do this. Ezzy, Ezzy. Now, this one means good. Ezzy and the Oma are the same thing. Remember, we do say Ototo Oma. That's what it is. Ezi Ototo. Ezigbo dim. Ezigbo nwunyem. Okay? When you say Ezigbo dim, my good husband. Ezigbo nwunyem, my good wife. Ezi nwam, my good child. Ezi nwa nwanyi, my good daughter. So I need you guys to know this. It means good. Ezi, outside, which is number 1. Ezi means pig. Remember the tone. The tone, they are different. Ezi. Ezi means something good or oma. Ezi is good. Ezi or oma are the sentence. Okay, so I need your Akomano. Did you get it now, or do you have another question?
No, I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. How do you say thank you in Igbo?
Daluna.
So dalu ke ga na-ekwu na class, okay?
Okay, auntie.
So Ezi name means good mother. All right, any other question before we move forward?
I have a question.
Kwuo afa gị. Gịnị bụ afa gị?
Afambo Ifi.
Okay, Ifi ngwa.
My question is for the sentence Obinaganezi.
Again, repeat your question again.
For the sentence Obinaganezi, the verb ga, that means go.
Yes. Or you can also say pour, or you can say je. Yes.
Fine.
Got it? Yes. Means go. Okay, let me put it. Sorry, I didn't put the translation. Obina. Go outside. Obina, go outside. So this AZ is outside. And then this is how we came up like different ways of saying it and the meaning and the tone. They have different tones. They're the same spelling, but different tones. Okay, and pronunciation. All right. Okay, now I have another word. We have onwa. Okay, this word onwa here. Onwa, the meaning is month or moon. You see? Now the question is, how do I know which one is which? This is how you know it. Based on the sentence, your content, the content you have, the sentence that you're going to make will help you know. Okay, for instance, I say, in the next 2 months, or in 2 months, okay? Oh, I saw a moon is up there. We have a full moon, okay? We have a full moon. Anyị nwere ọnwa, okay, ọnwa is the moon. Ọnwa, it is the same sound though, the same word, the same sound. Ọnwa abụọ, okay, now, okay, let me just name it number 4. Okay. Ọnwa abụọ, let's say ọnwa abụọ. Na ọnwa abụọ. Come on. Na ọnwa abụọ. That should be that. Okay, ọnwa abụọ. Come on, you're gonna come here. Okay, na ọnwa abụọ means in 2 months. Okay, in 2 months. Now pay attention. We're gonna do that not now when we do the vocabularies, because na it's not just only and. Okay, na can also mean in 2 months. So we're going to do that one when the time comes. So let me not just confuse you. Okay, in 2 months. All right. Okay, in 2 months. Okay. Okay, the moon Ọnwa buru ibu. Okay, you can say ọnwa apụtala. Ọnwa apụtala. Okay, ọnwa apụtala means the moon is out. Ọnwa apụtala, it means that the moon is out. Okay, ọnwa apụtala, ọnwa apụtala. So this is the only way you can do this one is when you make your sentence, when you read based on the content of the what you're writing is going to show, okay, this is what you mean. But the pronunciation, there's no way you can know. The tone, no way. The spelling, the sentence. Okay, we have another one. We have aqua. Aqua. Okay. If you get this word very well, trust me, I'm going to send you $20. So let's do the drill. Let me get this in together. In fact, I'm going to send you a trophy if you get it. So we have this was aqua. So I would like somebody to surprise me here.
Water.
You said when you turn. And is aqua egg?
Before you talk, you need to tell me your name. Now we have these words. Okay, I need everybody to pay attention. We have these 4 words, but they mean they're the same spelling, but they mean 4 different things. We have aqua, okay, which is clothes. We have this egg. We have this bed, and we have this one cry. Okay, see, they're the same word, but different tone. Now, everybody pay close attention here. The first one, we have aqua. Up, it's a high tone. Aqua, high tone. Aqua, high. Aqua, low, mid, high, okay? Aqua, okay? Now the third one.
Put that like in
Aqua.
both.
You need to pay attention. Aqua. The third one, which is bed. Aqua. That's low. Aqua. High. Aqua, slightly high at the end. Aqua. Now the first one. Aqua. Number 2. Aqua, which is egg. Number 3. Aqua. Bed. Number 4. Aqua. Crying. Somebody is crying. On a aqua. Now again. Aqua. So if you will get it, that's good. And this drill, you have to do it at home. You record yourself and send to me. That's not the end. I'm still coming. Okay? Aqua, number 1, which is clothes. Aqua, egg, number 2. Aqua, number 3, bed. Aqua, number 4, crying. Okay? Aqua, clothes. Aqua, egg. Aqua, bed. Aqua, crying. Now, this is the drill you're going to do. Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ. Okay, let me use NA na ọkụkọ yiri akwa na. I know some of you that were in the class last before the corona. Some of you know should know this. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa na elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ na elu akwa. Okay, this is the drill. And I know somebody will get it. Let me do this.
I have a question.
Okay, go on. Onye na-ekwukwa afa gị?
Well, Nana.
Okay, Nena.
Is there any way that, because I always get my tones mixed up, so
Okay.
is there any way that we can add the tones like to the notes? Like aqua is cloth, but I can't remember as of now until I keep
I know.
practicing.
Okay, this is what I tell people to do because the software is messed up. They don't have one for I can do it with my phone, but it can install like the Android, but Windows. I've tried several times to do it, but it's not working. And the tone marks, this is what I tell people to do, because even if I put tone marks, when I'm doing it on the board, I can do that. And you can do it on your own. But what I instruct people to do is this. If you know the way it sounded to you, because I can put it and tell you, I will tell you the right sound. But to you, you know what works for you. Like my daughter Chinyere, the one that gives speeches in Igbo. The way I taught her, I told her to put it or any word in English or anywhere that will help you remember the sound. Or mark it, put your tone mark the way it sounded to you that will help you remember. Or any word or anything at all. You can do like 2 digits of letters or anything that will help you remember the sound. Because the way it sounded to you might not be the way the word you're going to use to remember it might be different from the word another person will use to remember it. So do that. Use that tactics and see if it's going to help you. Use anything you think will help you remember the sound. Just put it on top of it. Okay? Make a note of that on top of the word and see if it's going to help you. But if the tone marks will help you, do the tone mark. Okay? But many people are struggling with the tone mark. Even if the tone marks are there, they won't get it. But when they use, in my class, once they put the word or anything that will help them remember, that's the best way they learn. And then they will come out and pronounce it well. So try that, Nena, and let's see if it's going to help. If it doesn't, feel free to call me or text me, and then let's see until we find what will help you. But if the tone mark will help you, the first one now is ah. See that it starts ah, just slide up. Kwa. Ah, kwa. High and down. Ah, kwa. Can you do the tone mark up? You start low, you just draw the line up on A. And then on the last A, you put the tone mark down. Then the second one, kwa. The second one starts not high. Okay, pay attention. The second one, not high. It's just flat, okay? Kwa. Kwa. It is just flat. Kwa. But the tone mark can go a little bit. But if you listen to this word and you think there's something that will help you remember it, you can put it. Because tone mark might not even help you. Okay, but just try the tone mark for now. Now, the third one, which is bed. Kwa. This is low, low. Tone mark low. And then the first A, low. The last A, low tone mark. Kwa. Aqua. Low, low. Now the last one. Aqua, aqua, high. This is a high tone. Aqua. Just try it and see if it's gonna help. And then also make another note here and try to do it with any letter that will help you. Do it with a letter that might help you, combination of letter or any word that will help you. Remember what it is, okay? So try that and then give me feedback. Stop, who is unmuting himself or herself because you're disrupting the class. Unless if you want to ask a question.
Well, that wasn't me, but I was just going to say Dalu. So thank you.
Okay, email, Nena. So do that and then get back to me, please. I want to make sure that it's helping you, okay? So everybody do the same thing and let us know. You can share with the class in the forum. If anything helps you at all, please share it in the class in the forum so that people will try it and see if it will help them. But the best way to learn it is by speaking it, interacting, doing it and listening to the lesson. I will also separately record it and post it to the forum. Okay, this particular one, I will do it separate and post it to the forum. That way you can get to it right away. All right, so this is what I'm trying to say here. Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa. We need to dot the O and U. Let's put that before I move forward. I needed to get it. Now, ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Okay, nọ n'elu akwa. Okay. All right, so nwanyị na-akwa akwa, nwanyị means a woman. Okay, a woman. That's one. We're going to do gender next week. We're going to do gender and people in the house. So that's what we have next week. Nwanyị means woman. Na-akwa akwa, a woman that is sewing clothes, okay? Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Na-akwa means a woman that sews clothes, okay? Ị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa. Are you crying? So we're trying to use these 4 words to make up something, okay? Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ means chicken. That chicken. Yiri akwa. Yiri. Laid egg. So when you say laid egg, n'elu akwa, on top of the cloth. Ị na-akwa akwa. You are making or sewing. Nọ n'elu akwa, on top, that is on top of or on the bed. I put top so that you know what we put there. Nọ n'elu, on top, that is on top of the bed or on the bed. on top. I just put it here in parentheses, but it's supposed to be that is on the bed. Okay. On top means on the bed. So you know what it is. I will leave the top because since you are still learning the prepositions. On top of the bed. But it's supposed to know that it's supposed to be on the bed. So let's remove it. All right. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri. Okay, listen. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. So I'm gonna make that record.
Ice cream.
So I'm going to make it and send to you. Now let me repeat the words again. Aqua, clothes. Aqua, egg. Aqua, bed. Aqua, crying. Aqua, clothes. Aqua, egg. Aqua, bed. Aqua, crying. Aqua, aqua, aqua. Aqua, 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 aqua. Okay, so I will make the recording and send to the forum. All right, so I will do more of this and send the notes, and then I will create also a Quizlet for you to go there to practice. Now we have time for questions, so the floor is open. Do not unmute yourself unless if you are asking question. And then please, before you ask question, introduce yourself. Kwuo afa gị. Introduce yourself means kọwaa onwe gị. The floor is open. I need you all to ask questions.
Aha m bụ Amarachi Madawabachi.
Amarachi, ndewo.
What is the site called?
The side is called akoko. Akoko. Whether it is your right or left, it's called akoko. Whether it is side of the table, the chair, the phone, a side of anything is called akoko. But then if it is the side, your right side, if you want to tell your mommy, your right side hurts, this akoko, akanri na fofo. Hot means ofo. If something hurts, it's hot. Awful. Wait, I need to maximize it. Okay, so something that hurts is awful. And then you want to explain to your parent or anything or doctor or anybody, awful is hot. Now you want to say your side hurts. My side. But you need to specify whether it is the right side or the left side. You can say my right, okay, my right side hurts. All right. Akoko. You have to dot it. I'll dot it later. Akoko. Aka nri. Aka rim. You have to put the M because you're talking about yourself. Akuka aka rim. The M is you. Akuka aka rim. Na fofo. Na afo. Ofo. Or you can say na fumo. You're talking about yourself. I can rim na fu ofo. You can leave it this way. It is right. Na fofo. So we need to dot them. Akoko, akanri. Na fofo. So you got it, Amarachi. Amarachi, did I answer your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Any other question?
Mba.
Okay, I need others to ask question. Anything you want to know in Igbo, how to say it in Igbo. But I need you, if you don't have any question for today's class, make sure you get everything right, because I will send some work for you to do.
Aham Ngozi Maduabuchi.
Okay, Ngozi ndewo.
Auntie, how do you spell left side?
That's fine.
Left side.
What, right side?
No, the left side.
Okay, left side. Okay. What's your name again? Gịnị bụ afa gị?
Ngozi Maduabuchi.
Ngozi Madabuchukwu. Chọrọ. Chọrọ means wants. To know. Ịma. Etu. Esi. Ekwu aka ekpe, which is left side. Okay, akụkụ aka nri m na-afụ ụfụ. My right side hurts. Na akụkụ aka ekpe. Aka ekpe means no. Okay. Akụkụ, come on, this is not. Okay. Akụkụ aka ekpe. Okay, that's what it is, but I'm gonna move it. My left side hurts. It means akụkụ aka ekpe. Aka ekpe m na. I'm going to use this now. It is the same. Afụfụ. Somebody needs to drink water. Okay. Class is almost over. Okay. Akụkụ aka ekpe m na-afụ ụfụ. Okay. So it means hot.
Hello. Hello.
Kwuo afa gị then.
I have a question.
Gịnị bụ afa gị? Gịnị bụ afa gị?
Odema.
Kwuo afa gị in a complete sentence.
I don't understand. I can't hear.
Tell me your name in a complete sentence in Igbo.
I don't know Igbo that well. It's Angel.
You've been coming to the class. Were you here? You had some people. Okay, now. I asked Angel. Our Angel, or you can say Afambo Angel. Okay, I want you to repeat it.
Afamba Angel.
Afambo Angel.
Afambo Angel.
Okay, Ngwa Angel, what is your question?
The aqua stuff, I was a little confused on it.
Which one? Aqua?
Yeah, because there's 4 of them, and I don't know how to pronounce them very well.
Okay, yeah. Well, that's why you need to go over the lesson. But I'm going to record that particular section. I'll record it and then look for it in the next 3 hours. Okay, after the class in the forum. You were included in the WhatsApp forum. But after class, go to the YouTube link and then go over the lesson. But that particular one, I will record and send to you, okay? That way you can go over and over and make notation how they sounded to you. That is the best way you can learn it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Right. You're welcome. How do you say thank you in Igbo, Angel?
It was
Angel, you say dalo.
Dalo.
Emaila ndewo. Now, what is your name again in Igbo?
Afambo Angel.
Your brother is laughing. Okay, what's his name? What's your brother's name?
Obi.
Obi, tell me your name in Igbo.
It's Afambo Obi, remember?
Obinna.
Afambo Obi.
Obinna, tell me your name. Complete sentence in Igbo.
Afambo Obi.
Obionye, what's your last name?
Agbodo.
Who?
Agbodo.
You see, Obodo. Now you should be able, you're taking Igbo class. You should be able to say your last name very well, correctly. Okay? You have to be able to pronounce your first and last name. Obodo. Can you repeat it?
Agbodo.
Yeah, now I will need you to go over the alphabets, because if you know the alphabet, you should be able to pronounce your last name and your first name or Igbo words. Alphabet is the key. Once you know the alphabet, the recordings are there, you should be able to. If you don't have the recording, tell me, I will send it to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, any other person with a question? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
No.
Afambo Ifi.
Okay, Ifi, ndewo.
Are we going to go over how to make sentences in past tense and
yes.
future tense?
Yes, we're gonna do those. So I just don't want to load everything. We have a lot to do. But I
Okay.
want you guys to learn this. Once you learn it, then we move forward. And then I will make a Quizlet. You go and see the Quizlet. And there are some Quizlets. Make sure you go over them too. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So how do you say thank you in Igbo?
Dalu.
Dal, ndewo. Imela. Good. Another question. Please feel free to ask me a question, even if it is something outside the class. Something you want to know in Igbo, how to say it in Igbo. That's fine.
Afambo Chineme Hassani. Can you hear me?
Chineme, yeah. Ndewo,
Okay.
Chineme. Chineme, kedu ka I mere?
Is there any
Chineme, answer my question. Kedu ka I mere?
I don't understand what you just said.
Somebody, can you help Chineme here? I said, kedu ka I mere?
How are you?
How are you? Okay.
Yeah. So what do you respond?
I'm fine.
And then how do you say it in Igbo?
Adima.
Adam, because it's you. It's a direct question. Adam, ma.
Adam.
Okay, ngwa Chineme, ask your question.
Are there any supplementary materials, like any coursework books that you would recommend?
You don't need the coursework book. If you follow what I'm teaching you, you should be able to be speaking Igbo correctly. If you follow this one, if you would be able to go over this lesson, read the notes that I'm sending you, that is the best way to go. If I recommend a course book, trust me, you're not gonna do it. That is not the best way. I need you, once you can follow what we are doing, and then be able to comprehend everything we did today and be able to use them, Chineme, that's all you need.
Okay.
Yes.
Dalu.
Email and dewo. I would recommend a course book, not now, but that would be down the line. But if I recommend it, you won't read it. Most of my students, they don't do it. They just dump it. We have some reading books that I'm going to give you guys some paragraphs when it comes to learning how to read, which we start after doing gender next week. The next 2 weeks, I will send you guys paragraphs and everybody should learn to read, but it's coming. So what we are doing is what you need. If you will go back to the lessons, be able to know, use the words that we are doing, that's all you need in this class. And I guarantee you, you're gonna be speaking Igbo if you take it serious. And I know most of you are very serious, and that's what I'm looking for. All right, I know we have exceeded the time for the class. Okay, so if you don't have any other question, now we're going to be closing the class with our song. And I know every one of you should know it. And before I forget, if you know you have not recorded your alphabet and sent to me, please do so. I'm still waiting. And most of you that did, Bravo. Unu emela. Unu mere nke ọma. I will listen to every one of them and I'll give you corrections, okay? Each of you. So you guys did very well, but some of you sent the alphabet. You didn't send the song. You need to record that song as well. We're gonna sing it in a minute and send to me. Only Ifunanya did that. I think Ifunanya is in Spain. She's in France also. She sent it to me and she did very well. I posted it to the forum for everybody to listen. I need every one of you to send me your alphabet recording and your Igbo song. Now we're all gonna sing. I will sing it and every one of you will start and sing it. We're going to use it to end the class.
Oh, wait 1 second. Where is this? Oh, sorry. Ahambo Nena. Where is the song to learn?
I will send you the song and then I will post it again to the forum, okay?
Okay.
There's another question.
All right.
Excuse me. Can you hear? A humble killing.
Okay.
What's the right way to say opuru? Is that how you say it?
Opuru.
Opuru.
Can you repeat after me? Opuru.
Dalu.
Can you repeat after me? No, don't go yet. Opuru.
Opuru.
Opu.
Opu.
Gru.
Gru.
Opuru.
Opuru.
Okay. 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 Now, so I'm gonna sing the song and then everybody will sing it. If you don't know it, it's okay. Just listen. All right. But I want everybody to sing it, please. So let me sing first. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu n'ibe anyị anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike jisie n'ike Subibo, okay, everybody, 1, 2, go. Okay. Now that's it. That's it. So this is what I recommend here. Go home. Go home. Your home. So go ahead and record your own and send it to me, everybody. And I will repost it again. I will repost it again, but go ahead and record it, okay? Now today we overstayed, all right? Okay, so unu nwee ụbọchị ọma o nọ n'ofuma gụọ na akwụkwọ unu ndewonu ka o mesịa nụ ụbọchị ọma nụ